The question is, mob and blackfla, can non-Indigenous people use these terms? So far as mob is concerned, I see no problems with anybody using that. That's a term that our mob used to refer to our people, and we're very comfortable with it. And there's no derogatory things associated with the use of that term, so that's fine to use mob. Blackfla, I acknowledge, is a lot more contentious for some of our people, particularly in the southern part of the continent, where it's not so much an acceptable term as it is in the northern part of Australia, where I'm from, of course. Now, on the other hand, I do say if you've grown up with our people, then yes, you do speak like us, and you've grown up with kids using these terms, then that's fine to use those terms. If you haven't grown up with our mob, then I'd exercise caution around the use of those terms. But it's always polite to ask whichever company you're in, and to ask people how they feel about that. So I hope that helps.